Hello everyone, welcome back to Relax Your Dog. Some dog breeds are born runners, Australian cattle dogs or thinker Doberman Pinscher, and get destructive or aggressive without regular exercise. On the other hand, some breeds are content snoozing or simply trotting behind their owner down the hall a few times a day. These so-called lazy dog breeds require very little physical and mental activities on a daily basis to stay happy and healthy. Lazy dogs don't necessarily need a bunch of space to run and play. As long as they have a comfy bed, some food, and toy, they are typically happy campers. So, today we are going to see the top 10 laziest dog breed in 2020. Without wasting a second, let's move in. So on number 10 is Havanese. The Havanese dog breed has won many admirers with their long silky hair, expressive eyes and cuddly size. Bred as a companion dog to the Cuban aristocracy in the 1800s, they have earned the nickname Velcro dog because they stick so closely to their owner's side. Although these are purebred dogs, you may still find them in shelters and rescues. Smart social, Havanese love spending time with their owners. Put their upbeat personality and smart stature together, you have an energetic breed that doesn't need a lot of physical activity. So on number 9 is the Tibetan Mastiff. These giant guardians from the Himalayas will launch around inside but get them out, about and their more active, independent nature will show. The AKC even recommend exercising them in a contained area since they are notorious for not coming when called. They are also powerful climbers and jumpers, so a tall fence or a lot of property is a must to prevent escape. These dogs also take an extended amount of time to mature, so make sure you are prepared for 2 to 4 years of dealing with a highly active adolescent pup. So, on number 8 is Pug. Pug owners know that there's a lot of personality packed into these 15 odd pounds. The less active pups may actually share some ancestral history with the Pekins. Pugs aren't as lazy as you think with their round little bodies and short legs. Pugs don't like a whole lot of exercise, at least not as much as they like food, but they actually aren't as lazy as people think. Typically, a pug will sleep around 14 hours a day, much longer than more active breeds, but this is usually because they have nothing else going on. Pugs love to be close to their owner, the closer the better, which is why they get so cuddly on the couch. The pug is sometimes thought of a lazy breed, a dog that takes over your favorite chair and lives his life away, snoring as if he does not have a care in the world. In fact, pugs are super animated, very personable, and eager canine that often are curious, emotional, and aggressive and expressive. The number 7 is Chow. Don't mistake the trademark calls for bad attitude. While somewhat stubborn and suspicious of strangers, Chow are devoted and bonded to their families. Their reserved and quiet nature actually earns frequent comparison to cat. Chow has proven to one of the laziest American dogs. As one of the least active breed on a daily basis, it moves an average of only 43 minutes and 22 seconds a day. The study also confirmed that the most active dog average 138 minutes and 22 seconds per day, while the least active dogs average no more than 14 minutes and 27 seconds. Chow dogs are not lazy but pretend to be when people force them to do things they don't want to do or during intensive training. In addition, this dog breed hates rain and wet floors, so it avoids going out in such circumstances and pretend to be lazy. They added that Chow puppies have a lot of energy and like to move and play during the day. So, on number 6 is Bernese Mountain Dog. While they technically belong in the American Kennel Club's working group, Bernese Mountain Dogs are surprisingly low-key. The big fluffy balls like relaxing indoors as much as they like being outside. The Bernese Mountain Dog is steady, tempered, and easygoing. However, his calmness and willingness to laze about doesn't mean he came to be coped up without exercise. Indeed, the Bernese loves getting out, especially in cool weather. With his thick black coat, he doesn't do well in hot climates. On number 5 is Pekings. Underneath all of that fur is a charming companion who is perfectly happy without a yard. The little lapdog did originally live in the Chinese palace, but their modern counterparts will settle for less than royalty. It's a small breed that serves as an intelligent family dog. They enjoy going for their daily walks but do not require a great deal of exercise. Their independent nature blends well with the loyalty and love for their human family. On number 4 is the French Bulldog. Apartment dwellers always pick French Bulldog for a reason. They rarely bark, hardly shade, and enjoy a brisk walk around the block for exercise. There are certain ways that Frenchies behave that will make them look very lazy. It's very understandable, and the truth is, for a lot of the day, they will actually do absolutely nothing, so they can deserve this reputation. Frenchies can be very stubborn and refuse to walk. Frenchies can sleep for almost 60% of the day. Many Frenchies will be overweight. What more could you want? Right? It's the best option. So on top 3 is best at home. Between their stubby legs, droopy ears, and wrinkled brows, Basset hounds have plenty of distinguishing characteristics. When they are not hunting, the skilled scent hounds still love to cuddle up with the family. Basset hounds are more than just drooping cheeks and short legs. They are ideal mates to couch potatoes. A short and sweet everyday walk is enough for this dog breed to stay fit as a fiddle. On top 2 is Saint Bernard. They are best known for their alpine rescues, but these days you are a lot more likely to find Saint Bernards in the suburban than the Swiss Alps. Their calm and patient disposition also makes the gentle giant a great nanny dog for kids. Saint Bernards are huge dogs are known for their patience, tolerance, and good nature. Their huge size shouldn't deter you, friend, having them as a family pet. They are known for being good with children and other pets. As with many giant breeds, it's important to watch the weight of these dogs without giving them intense exercise. Puppies should not be exercised until they are done growing, but should not be allowed to get fat either. While Saint Bernards were originally bred to help rescue people in the Alps between Switzerland and Italy, they are now much better suited as house pets. They are friendly and easygoing but keep a rag hanging for their food. So, are you excited to know the first laziest dog breed in the top 10 list? Yes? So, on number 1 is the Bulldog. The Bulldog, also known as the English Bulldog or British Bulldog, is a medium-sized dog breed. It is a muscular, hefty dog with a wrinkled face and a distinctive pushed-in nose. The Kennel Club, the American Kennel Club, and the United Kennel Club oversee breeding records. These family-friendly cuties fit the snoozing stereotype alright. Bulldogs love nothing more than a good nap, but don't let the sleepiness rub off on you. All dogs, even the less active ones, require exercise to stay healthy, whether it's regular walks or play sessions. Bulldogs are accused of being low energy or lazy, but they just like to take it easy. Aside from the aforementioned daily fit count, Bulldogs are generally mellow and happy-go-lucky. They make a few demands here and there, but otherwise they are like putty in your hands. If you are a lazy owner looking for a low-key companion, this list is a great starting point. We tried to compile a good list of all shapes, size, and temperaments of dog. Did we leave out one? Do you have another favorite couch potato dog? Let us know below in comment section. So folks, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Till then, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any other video of our channel Relax Your Dog. Take care.